Assalamu alaikum, you are welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make a fabric flower. You can use this flower to embellish your baby dress, as you can see in the video. So without further ado, let's go straight to the video. So these are the fabric that I'll be using for the flower. I'm using a satin fabric. So I have about 6 to 7 pieces cut out. So the measurement I use is 3 by 3. That is, the length is 3, the width is 3. Is in a square shape form. So my needle and thread is also ready, as you can see. So I'll take one part and fold it in a triangular shape. So I'll fold it in a triangular shape for the second time, and I'll fold it in a triangular shape for the third time again. Then I'll trim out the excess parts like so, and this is how it looks like. So I'll fold it again in a triangular shape as it is, like so. Then I'll start stitching with the needle and thread, just like as I'm doing in the video. So after doing that, this is how it looks like. After I got to the end, this is how it looks like. So I'll keep that aside and I'll work on another one. I'll fold into triangle for the second time, and also into a triangle for the third time. Then I'll trim out the excess, the part pointing out like so. Then I'll open it up like so. Then I will stitch with the needle and thread, just the same way we did for the first one. So this is the second one, and this is how it looks like. It is coming out little by little. So we'll keep that aside and work on the third one. I'll fold into triangle again, and I'll fold into triangle for the third time. We are folding into triangle 3 times. Then you cut out the point edge, then you open it up like so. Then you stitch with your needle and thread. I'm just trying to repeat the process over and over again for those that did not understand it the first time. So this is how the third one is looking like. It's coming out little by little. So I'll finish it up and show you how it looks like at the end of the day. Just the same process. So I'm currently working on the last one. I have done 5 already, as you can see. You can use this flower fabric to beautify your clothes. We often use it to beautify children's outfits, but you can also use it to beautify adult outfit, depend on the style you're working with. This fabric flower saves money. To be honest, it saves money. You can just do this with piece of your fabrics you have at home. It doesn't consume much fabric at all. So this is it. I'm almost done with it. I have just 6. Just you can see there are 6. You can do more if you wish, but I think this 6 is perfectly okay. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to finish up the stitch. Make sure you arrange everything properly. Make sure you pull out the first thread as well, so you'll be able to tie it, so avoid it from losing at the end of the day. Just make sure you tie the knot properly. It is well secured. After that, this is how it looks like. Look how beautiful it is looking. So the next thing we are going to do now is to beautify it with my applique. This is the applique that I'm going to use to beautify it. So you can use any type of applique of your choice to beautify it. So I cut out a piece of fabric in a round shape. So I'm going to use my gum. So I will apply the gum at the round parts of the flower like so, and I'll also apply it on the piece of fabric. Then I'll join it together like so. Then we'll apply gum on the applique as well. Then I'll place it on that fabric. So this is how the flower fabric is looking like. You can see that it is very simple and easy to do. Having done that, I'll cut out another piece of fabric in a round shape form. So I'll apply gum to it, and I also apply gum to the fabric, and I'll just place it like so. So that's where we are going to place to the fabric, instead of just placing it ordinary like that. So this is the wrong side and this is the right side. And this is the final look of the flower fabric. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And this is it after I attached it to the fabric. Look how beautiful it is looking. This is another one I made with the same fabric, but I used the flower to embellish it. If you want more of this tutorial, kindly subscribe to my channel. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.